Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.4. So let's start our exercise 2.4 question number 1. Question number 1 is find. Here question number 1 you have to find the value, okay? So first A question is 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. Before giving you the concept, remember if any number is there, just suppose A is there, means A upon 1. That is equal to A. Got it? So if any number, just suppose A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. Remember this concept, okay? According to this concept only we are going to follow here. So 12 means, can we write here 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. So you can see A by B divided by C by D. So A by B into D by C. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16 upon 1 is equal to 16 answer. Got it? So similarly we can solve all the question of this type. I hope all of you can solve. Now we are moving towards the question number 2. Means B. The B question is 14 divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6. As already told you here, there is nothing means 14 by 1. Right? A by B divided by C by D. So what will be that? A by B into D by C. 16 by 5. 14 6 is 84. 84.4. Got it? Now we are moving towards the question number C. Question number C is 8 plus 7 by 3. Sorry, 8 divided by 7 by 3. So what you will write here? Instead of 8, can we write 8 by 1? So we will get that formula A by B divided by C by D. So 8 by 1 into 3 by 7. 8 3s are 24 by 7. D question. 4 divided by 8 by 3. 4 divided by 8 by 3. So what we will do? 4 by 1. So A by B divided by C by D. A by B into C by D. 4 2 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2. 3 by 2. Got it? So take a screenshot. Write this answer. If you are having doubt, then please drop it out into the comment box section. After then we will move ahead. After getting this answer till 4th A, B, C, D. Now 2 questions are also left. Only 2 questions. So this is about the mixed fraction. We should understand the concept. Okay, so now we are moving towards the 5th question. Okay, so now what is our 5th question? 5th question is three divided by 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 3, right? So first of all we will break this. This means 3 by 1 and this means 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3, right? So 3 by 1 divided by 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 3. So what we will write? 3 by 1 into 3 by 7. 3 3 is 9 by 7. If you want to convert this, 7 1 is 7, remainder 2, 1 into 2 by 7 answer. Got it? So now the last question of this first one. 5 divided by 3 into 4 by 7. 5 divided into 3 into 4 by 7. Right? Yes. So now what we will write here? 5 means 5 by 1 and here 3 into 7 plus 4 by 7. So 5 by 1 divided by 3 7 is 21 plus 4 25 by 7. So what we will write here? 5 by 1 into 7 by 25. 5 5 is 25. 7 by 5. 5 1 is 5. Reminder 2. Got it? So this was our first all the 7 questions. A, B, C, D has 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5, 6. Total 6 questions are there, right? Yes. Any doubt in this first question? Then if you are having any doubt, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section. Then second question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fraction and whole number. So what is the meaning of reciprocal? Have you heard? Reciprocal means, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of reciprocal? Opposite, 1 by 2, so 2 by 1. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? 2 by 3. Means any number is there, we have to just do opposite of that number. So that is the reciprocal. What we have to do in question number 2? All of you have taken a screenshot. Please take a screenshot fast. So we will move towards the question number 2. Now question number 2. Reciprocal. Have you heard the word reciprocal? Opposite, ulta, 1 by 2, 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1 only because 1 by 1 and 1 by 1. If reciprocal of 1 by 2, half, the reciprocal of half is 2 by 1, 2. The reciprocal of 3 by 2, 2 by 3. The reciprocal of 5 by 8, 8 by 5. Means we have to do just opposite of the number, so we will get the reciprocal of that number. Got it? So let's start question number 2. In the question number 2, it is just saying us to find the reciprocal. Okay? Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Find the reciprocal. First question. 3 by 7. So if anybody will ask you what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7, so you have to just write reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Means we have to just do opposite. What we have to do? We have to just do opposite. Therefore, it is an improper fraction. Now you can see here it is an improper. This is a proper fraction. What do you understand by proper fraction and improper fraction? Improper fraction, denominator is greater than numerator, and improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Got it? See here, this was proper fraction. As after getting the proper fraction, we have changed the reciprocal, it becomes improper fraction. Got it? So now 5 by 8 is there. Second question is 5 by 8. So can you tell me what will be the reciprocal of 5 by 8? So you have to write reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. What it is? 8 by 5. Therefore, it is an improper fraction. What is 8 by 5? 8 by 5 is improper because numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator means upper part and denominator means lower part. Got it? Third question. Third question is 9 by 7. 9 by 7. So reciprocal of 9 by 7. 7 by 9. Now tell me, this is proper fraction or improper fraction? You can see here denominator is greater than numerator. So it is proper fraction because the question was in improper fraction because numerator was greater than denominator. So question was improper fraction and answer we have got proper fraction, right? Now the question number 4. Six by 5. Can you tell me what will be the reciprocal of 6 by 5? So the reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Why? 6 by 5. Here the numerator is greater means improper fraction. And this 5 by 6 is proper. Improper to proper fraction and proper to improper. Here the numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than denominator means improper fraction. Improper fraction. And the reciprocal we have got it in proper fraction. This was improper, proper, proper, improper, proper, improper. Sorry, proper, improper. Got it? Any doubt related question number 2, 1 to 4? If you are having doubt, then you can tell me. You can drop your doubt into the comment box section. So now we will move towards the 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 5, 6, 7, 8. Only till 7 questions there. 5, 6, 7. So just take a screenshot. So after then I will erase the board and we'll move towards the question number 5, 6, 7. Okay? So now we are moving towards the 5, 6, 7. See what I have done? I have understand about the answers. So 5, 6, 7. What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is 12 by 7. 12 by 7. So the reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. Right? So what will be the reciprocal? Proper fraction or improper fraction? Can you tell me? Question was 12 by 7. 12 by 7 is which number? Numerator is greater than denominator, improper fraction, and the reciprocal we have got denominator is greater than numerator, means proper fraction. Now come towards the question number 6, 1 by 8. Question number 6 is 1 by 8. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 8? The reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. Means this is improper, this is proper fraction. And the last question of this second one. What is the last question? Can you tell me? 1 by 11. 1 by 11. 1 by 11. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 by 11? Either you can write 11 or 11 by 1. So which is the proper fraction? 1 by 11 or 11 by 1? 1 by 11 is proper. This is improper. 1 by 8 is proper. This is improper. 12 by 7 is improper. 7 by 12 is proper. So we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the questions we have seen. Got it? Now we are moving towards the question number 3. Find the value 7 by 3 divided by 2. Find the value. Question number 3. Find the value. First question, 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3 divided by 2. What you will write here? As I have taught you, A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. Here, after multiplication, D by C. So 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1 is equal to 7 by 3 into 1 by 2. Right? So 7 1 is 7, 3 2 is 6. If you want to change in the mixed fraction, 6 1 is 6, 1 1. Got it? Understand? What I have done, I have just taken a concept of A by B divided by C by D, as we have already done in the question number 1. I hope all of you are understanding. I will solve one more question. Rest all the question you have to solve. 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 divided by 5. So can we write 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 1 instead of 5? A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. So 4 1 is 4, 9 5 is 45. 4 by 45. Got it? Do you have any doubt related to this topic? If you don't have doubt, then please solve rest of the question of question number 3. If you are having any type of doubt, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section so I can understand that you are still facing some of the doubt. That's all for today. I hope all of you have understand this concept. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Share this video with your friends so they can be also benefited. Thank you very much.